In the shadowy world where science meets crime, DNA technology stands as a beacon of hope, unraveling mysteries that once seemed unsolvable. Scientific breakthroughs in DNA analysis have transformed the hunt for serial killers, turning cold cases hot and bringing justice to victims and their families. The tale begins in the mid-1980s, when DNA fingerprinting emerged as a pioneering tool in forensic science. It was Alec Jeffreys, a British geneticist, who first demonstrated how unique genetic codes could identify individuals, just like fingerprints. This revolutionary discovery paved the way for forensic applications, marking a seismic shift in criminal investigations. Consider the chilling case of the Golden State Killer, a predator who terrorized California for over a decade from the 1970s to the 1980s. Despite numerous crimes, the suspect eluded capture for decades, leaving investigators with little more than a haunting legacy of violence. It was not until 2018 that DNA technology finally caught up with him. By employing a novel method known as genetic genealogy, law enforcement was able to identify Joseph James DeAngelo as the culprit. This technique involved uploading DNA evidence from crime scenes to genealogy databases, leading investigators to distant relatives and, ultimately, to the suspect himself. The arrest and conviction of DeAngelo represented a landmark success in the application of DNA evidence, illustrating the profound impact of this scientific tool. In another notable example, the case of the Grim Sleeper haunted Los Angeles, with a series of murders spanning over 2 decades. The chilling moniker was given due to an apparent hiatus in the killings. For years, the Grim Sleeper taunted law enforcement with his ability to remain undetected. However, through familial DNA searching, a process similar to genetic genealogy, investigators were led to Lonnie David Franklin Jr., whose son's DNA, collected from an unrelated arrest, matched that of evidence found at the crime scenes. This breakthrough showcased not only the power of DNA in solving crimes, but also highlighted the ethical considerations and privacy concerns surrounding the use of familial DNA databases. The power of DNA technology extends beyond identifying culprits. It is equally crucial in exonerating the innocent. The Innocence Project, for instance, has helped to overturn wrongful convictions using DNA evidence, shining a light on miscarriages of justice and underscoring the profound societal impact of forensic science. However, the use of DNA in criminal investigations is not without its challenges. Privacy issues, the potential for misuse, and the ethical implications of genetic data remain ongoing concerns. As society continues to grapple with these issues, the need for careful regulation and public dialogue is paramount. As we conclude our dive into the world where science meets crime, it is clear that DNA breakthroughs have reshaped the landscape of criminal justice. They have not only helped to solve notorious cold cases and bring criminals to justice, but have also highlighted the delicate balance between technological advancement and ethical responsibility. Thus, DNA stands as both a triumphant success in the quest for justice and a reminder of the continuous need to navigate its implications responsibly.